Thank you, Miss Maria, for giving us a review of what we will be talking about next. Now, we will be going into our vocabulary. Math is already confusing, and we're going to break it down very simple. Now, let's start off with regrouping. Regrouping is the act of making groups of 10 to help us subtract. Now, let's move on to place value. In two-digit numbers, there are only two place values, and the units place and the tens place. Now, the number in the first column is in the tens place, and the number in the second column is in the ones place. This will be important once we introduce the base 10 blocks, excuse me. For instance, let's take the number 67, for example. What we're going to do is we're going to break it down. 6 is in the tens place, and 7 is in the ones place. Now, we can also use we can use any other number. Let's take 23 for another example. 2 will be in the tens place, and 3 will be in the ones place. And we can always let's do one more example. Let's do 21. 2 will be in the tens place, and 1 will be in the ones place. Okay, making sure everyone understands that perfectly clear. Now, we're going to go back, talk about regrouping a little bit. Sometimes we have subtraction problems where we aren't able to use the vertical subtraction method in the straightforward way we have been doing it previously, which we are all used to doing. But instead, we use a method called regrouping, which may make it a lot easier for you guys. Now, for instance, if we want to subtract 72 minus 24, we can't use the method we have been doing before because you can't subtract 4 from 2. And that is where regrouping will come in to help us solve this problem. Now, today, we are going to be learning a way that allows us to perform 72 minus 24, which is crazy to think, but it's going to be fun, you guys.